Let me show you how to do the manual application security testing for the web app. We are talking about bypass the security control. They have various ways the developer will design their web application to be defense against people to making unauthorized change for the input. And then before submitting back, one of the way they use is the hidden field to be tamper-proof, that if someone submit the value different than what they rendered, then they know that they is not authorized to do so. So here what we did, we're using the tool called Bug Sweeper to demonstrate how can we breaking and finding out whether the application has subject to that kind of the vulnerability, or we so-called the weak bypass security control mechanism. So here what we did is that we need to turn on the Bug Sweeper, of course, then to be configured for the box C. Like this. So now the intersection is off, but we need to be on. We got to freezing the coming. We need to submit something like the purchase here. So we make the purchase. As you can see behind the scene, this is the traffic that he already hijacked it, and we can see behind what is the traffic is all about. And of course, we don't want to purchase at this pricing. We make the change from here. Then we let him continue to sending where that the traffic already submit over. So we can put the intersection off already. So what you can see is that the traffic is go through. So this is way how it doing to making easy for tester to find out whether the form have a vulnerability like the hidden field that need a special precautions. Actually, like those two, we can using, for example, the Bug Sweeper that you can turn on the features to find out and to unhidden the hidden form field, right? To highlight for us also, to make it easier for us to find out in case they got one of it in the form to emote appear. You see me how I reflect the picture? No, I think I just restart this lesson, right? You see that they have a form here to me. Of course, you can't change here because this is for him to pass in the value. You put in different thing value, it won't match. So it won't allow you to do. But we can, after the form submit, we hijack it and modify it still just like what I show you.